Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is paid and presented in collaboration with Skillshare. And if you don't know Skillshare, it's this amazing online learning platform where you can learn basically any skill you want. I first tried Skillshare a couple of years ago to take a class that could help me develop my graphic skills further. So as many of you guys know, I'm a designer. I finished my fashion design education back in 2012. So I know lots of the basic programs such as Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign, and I use these a lot every single day through my work. But I really wanted to add on to that when I became a full-time content creator a few years back. So learning some more basic graphic skills, for example, on how to create a nice logo, how to make layouts within InDesign and so on was really helpful to me. So like I just mentioned, Skillshare is an amazing online learning community where you'll find thousands of classes for creatives like me. So you sign up for a membership for less than $10 a month on an annual subscription, and then you'll have access to all these different classes. So the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. So do make sure you check out the description after watching this video if it sounds interesting to you. Many of you often ask me how I do those wardrobe overviews that I often share on my platforms. Personally, I use Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign for these. So in case you're looking for a great place to learn the basic principles of using these programs, Skillshare is definitely a great place to go. You guys know that I'm a huge advocate for shopping my own wardrobe instead of actually buying new clothing, and I thought that in today's video it would be fun to just gather up some different ways you can do this with a focus on the autumn season and the whole style that I'm going for this season. First up, I wanted to talk all things layers. Being able to dress up in more layers is one of the biggest reasons why I love autumn so much. I just feel like adding different layers to your looks is a great way of personalizing and staying warm at the same time. So really when you create your outfits, you want to challenge yourself and think, okay, well, can I wear something underneath this item? Can I wear something on top of it? And that's sort of, very basic and very simple way of working around it, but nonetheless, that's how I often do it myself. It's also a great way of extending the life of the items you wear over the summer season and bring them with you way into the autumn season. So for example, I love a good jeans, t-shirt, and denim jacket combination throughout the summer season, or just if it's a bit chilly. And then through the autumn season, you can obviously throw over a wool coat. I think that it's a great layered look. I love that element with the denim just peeking through underneath the wool coat. So that's definitely a look that I'm a huge fan of this time of year. Something else you could try, and something that I feel like is very trendy right now and is something you can easily recreate. I bet you already have all of these items in your wardrobe, is to tie a sweater around your neck. So sort of use it as a scarf and an extra element to keep yourself warm up here, but also just a great layering piece and a great way again to layer up and add some interest. So for example, again, one of my favorite outfit uniforms is a pair of jeans, a t-shirt or a jumper, and then a blazer, and then you can easily tie that jumper around your neck to add a layer and some dimension to your look. So the next thing I wanted to mention is all about adding contrasts to your outfits, and this is something I talk a lot about in my style course as well. It's a great styling tip, and again, a great way to add some interest and some personality to your outfits. So most of us have a primary style within our wardrobes that we like to follow. My primary style is mainly casual. So what I like to do is to add some secondary styles to my very casual outfits to make things look a bit more interesting. So again, something I love about the autumn season is being able to wear all of my favorite wool coats, my favorite blazers, my favorite jumpers, all sorts of different classic wardrobe staples like that. And then I think it's quite cool to add some different contrasts again to these outfits. So for example, adding something sporty with a pair of sneakers, for example, I find that to be such a great look for this time of year. So for example, wearing a wool coat with a hoodie underneath it and then a pair of jeans and a pair of sneakers is something I think is super cool, and it's a great way to add on to those contrasts. So something else I've really been loving wearing lately is leggings, especially since I've been pregnant. And I've been loving dressing up these leggings because really it's something I tend to wear mostly around the house. I have not really I've never really worn leggings as pants, and I know that is definitely something that divides people. Some people think they are great as pants, other people think they're just for around the house. But I will say, if your body is changing like it does through pregnancy, a pair of leggings are just a savior, especially in the third trimester when that belly is really getting heavy. And really you can dress up a pair of leggings easily. Again, it's all about adding contrasts with more intention. So you could add some contrast with a biker jacket, for example, wrapping a big scarf around your neck, putting on a pair of boots or maybe just a pair of sneakers to keep that sporty vibe going. Really diving into accessories is a great way of adding some contrast and to give your outfit a lift and make it look more chic and stylish as well. So again, really trying to work with these different contrasts that you have within your wardrobe is a great way, again, to create some new outfit combinations and experiment a bit with your wardrobe and the things you already have. And then, of course, I wanted to mention recreating outfits or inspiration you find on social media. This is something that I've mentioned many times on my channel in the past as well, and it's still one of my favorite ways to get re-inspired and get some new ideas for new outfit combinations with things I already have. So I mainly use Pinterest to seek out inspiration, but I also find a lot of inspiration on Instagram. Maybe you are feeling tempted by all of the new autumn items you see on various different online shops right now. So sometimes you can also get some ideas for styling through online shops like that. So I have a whole series here on my channel called Steal Her Style, which is basically all about recreating different outfits that I find on various social media platforms. And like I just said, it's still one of my favorite ways to challenge myself and experiment with my style. Even if I end up creating outfits that I've somehow worn before, it's just a great way to reassure myself and to really use what I have in my wardrobe. So if you're feeling uninspired, if you're feeling bored or tempted, my best tip is to get yourself up from the couch and in front of your wardrobe and then just start playing around with it. Even if you're not going anywhere, I promise you, you'll have some fun. You will probably create some outfits that you love, and then you can like take a picture with your phone, save it for future reference, whatever suits you. So something else you can try is to style up a certain item within your wardrobe in 3 completely new ways that you've never styled up this item before. Again, if you need some inspiration, you can definitely turn to Pinterest or Instagram to get some inspiration on outfits you can actually create with this item. But you could also just like throw something on. Again, think layers, think contrasts, and really try to experiment and push yourself to try something new. That is really a great learning experience. Many of us have a tendency to always wear certain items the same way, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with wearing the same outfits over and over again if you feel amazing. But if you want to feel re-inspired and try something new without actually shopping, trying to just experiment with the styling is obviously a great way to sort of push yourself and to learn something new about yourself and your style. So the final thing that I wanted to mention is to try a fun DIY project. And I know that this is sort of more in the shopping category, because you would have to probably buy some fabric or an old curtain in a thrift shop or something similar like that to be able to make something completely new yourself. But it's still a fun and intentional way of working around your wardrobe and your style. Autumn is just the perfect time of year to do a fun, creative DIY project. So personally, I've been thinking about making a new dress for the festive season, for example. I would really love to try making my own slip dress, because that's something I don't already have in my wardrobe. I have a couple of slip tops within my occasion wear wardrobe, but I don't have an actual slip dress, and I feel like it just has so many possibilities when it comes to styling. Again, you can wear something underneath it, you can wear something on top of it, and you can really use many of the tips that I've shared already throughout this video. You can add some very cool contrasts to a very feminine and elegant dress like this, and I've just always loved a good slip dress. So I think that's definitely something I'm gonna try to make myself throughout the autumn season, and I might share a video with you at some point of making this dress, just give you some tips on how to do it. But again, I wanted to mention Skillshare one more time, because if you want to learn basic sewing skills, that's definitely a place that you can learn that as well. Just if you want to use your hands a bit more and start getting creative. So that is it for this video, guys. Just some inspiration on how you can shop your own wardrobe, or just in general be more sustainable when working with your style and your wardrobe. Before I leave, I just want to thank Skillshare one more time for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it as always. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and then I will see you very soon for another video. Bye guys.